My name is Nomthandazo Mbambo. I'm from Kingdom Zulu. I'm a member of Home Fixing Appliances. Before I heard about this group, I didn't have anything to do at home. I was just staying at home all day. I heard about this project from Mrs. Adam, who is my neighbor. I learned about fixing stoves, hair dryers at home, everything that is we used at home. I learned about managing businesses. I learned about peacemaking. I learned everything. There's something I took from them, though they are from other countries. So it was my pleasure to stay with them for a long time, gaining information from them. Got tools. I'm going to dirty my hands, as Utisha Utito told us. I'm gonna bring money at home with those tools. I'll be a breadwinner at home with these tools.
My name is Samuake Sibia. Ngiwakhona la eShowe, ngihlala khona. So ngezwa ngalufunda ngobaba uAdam kakhulu. So it helped me a lot to get a certificate because I'm doing this job but I don't have a certificate. Ngiqhubeka ngiwenza umsebenzi lo while ngine-certificate. Ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi ngithole i-certificate ngoba ngisebenza ngingenaso i-certificate. So kungisizela kakhulu nokuhlangana nabantu bangaphandle kwamanye amazwe ukuthi ngibasebona basebenza kanjani, how they make money. So now I'm making my own business now. Ngizibhizinisi lami ngizazama ukwenza i-workshop. So ngajabula kakhulu ukuthi ngiqhubeke mhlawumbe ngithole usizo ngokuqhubeka ukuthi ngenze i-business now. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ku-MPTF. Thank you.
My name is Mikhail. My surname is Hatangimana. When I started, I had no understanding of electricity, but now I can say that I understand how it works, current and everything. I thank them because before the program, I was sitting at home. I want to thank them for the tools that they gave us.
Hi, my name is Uthembelihle Mathonsi. Njengoba ngiqalile kule project, ngiqale bengihlele ekhaya ngenze lutho. And then usisi wami wangi-introduce ukuthi angize ngizofunda ngama appliances ngogesi. Ugesi bengusaba before, but now ngithe uma ngene egrouphini ngafunda ukuthi awuyona ingozi ngaleyo ndlela. Ziningi izinto engifundile egrouphini, kangangokuthi ngithe ngena bengazi ukuthi ngizofunda ngogesi kuphela, but ngithe mase ngiphakathi ngathola ukuthi kunama businesses okumele sifunde ngawo, indlela yokuphatha ibhizinisi, indlela yokusave. So njengoba ngifundile ke ngijabulile ukuthi ekugcineni ukufunda kwami kube nemiphumela emihle. Njengamanje amathuluzi ngiwatholile, sengizokwazi ukuthi ngihambe ngekhaya ngiyosiza khona endlini uma kukhona okufayo, ngiyazi ukuthi mina engilungisayo nomakhelwane and ngiqala ibhizinisi lami. Kuzoba lula kakhulu njengoba amathuluzi ngiwatholile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ku-MPTF.
My name is Jose Kidiadi, actually from DRC Congo. I am a trainer at Zoe Life. We built this program actually to give insight to the new entrepreneurs. So we're starting with this program by speaking to them about all the generalities about the business. For us to do all this program, we need to have at least 10 sessions. We are so grateful to MTPF for the support that they are giving to us in order to empower the community here in South Africa.
I'm Tito Haguma. I work for Zoe Life in a social cohesion project. What we do is to fight xenophobia, is to fight racism between African people from different backgrounds and from different races. The big problems was people coming to South Africa for different reasons, and there's a fear in South Africans asking who are these people, what are they doing. We run dialogues, we bring people together in a safe space to talk about unsafe issues. We teach people on conflict management, trauma counseling, and we do it all over in KwaZulu-Natal, bringing together people from South Africa and people from outside of South Africa. We partner with Upskill Africa initiative. It's a project that builds a bridge between African children through skill transfer. We bring people from different places with different skills to share those skills. So far, we graduated more than 300 ladies in sewing. Today, we're busy giving tools and certificates to 14 young people in Eshowe who finished home appliance repairing. Thank you.